Hello, Tess. I'm going to make a little demonstration video because some stuff is just too difficult to explain in the written word or too lengthy. So, just a couple of questions. Since up here you did not click like on the birth record that Gabby found, I don't know if you've seen it or not. But if we take a look at that record, here's some hints you can pick just from the page. There's your Vlcice town. But look, Berghof, Donji Les, Les is a forest, I think. So the upper forest. So if you can locate these towns on a map, then you'll know which Vlcice is yours for sure. Now let's address something else. You wanted to know different things that this website might have said. I had to do like a reverse search for it because you might not know about the translation feature. So if I copy this, well, gee, it worked when I practiced. There we go. And it was Churistica. Okay. If I type in Churistica, oh dear. Never know how much it's going to pick up, so let's try this again. There's yours. And so here, this is the one, Obec Vlcice se Zamkem. Obec Vlcice se Zamkem. There it is. If you pick translate this page, you get a rather fractured English translation of it. My husband and I translate from French to English for a family newsletter. And we do this just because it looks up the words quickly for us, and then we fix the grammar. Now, for instance, it translated it as wolf, which gives you a hint. VLK is wolf, so it changed it into an adjective, and it, in fact, may mean the wolf castle. Somebody else was looking for the same one. This picture is real familiar. So now it tells you 6 kilometers southeast of Javorník. They didn't translate that correctly, but it gives you enough to look it up. Let's go back to the Czech. Just some things you can get. R period followed by a number. Rok is year. Roku would be in the year. And of course that's it. When you get a place name, you have od is one preposition and v is another. There are fine distinctions, like you could say, I'm from Omaha, or I was born in Omaha. You know, two different prepositions, but they have slightly different meanings. So you can pick up a lot of words yourself going through the Czech that way. So here's something about a word, or about a year, and then Zamek is the castle, and actually is kind of like a chateau. There were 2 levels, or maybe 3 levels of castle. Hrad was a fortified one, and then Zamek was a palatial one, a chateau, it's translated as, but they were not intended to be defended from invaders from the east. So hopefully this will help you out a little bit. Go back here and take a look at this link again, and once you've taken a look at it, click like to indicate that you have read it, and hopefully this will help you figure out which one it is for sure. Bye-bye.